Running a restaurant without a plan is like sailing without a map. Let's get you on course. Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Business Planning. In this lesson, we're diving into the essentials of why every business needs a plan. A business plan isn't just a document, it's your roadmap to success. It helps you clarify your vision, set clear objectives, and navigate the inevitable twists and turns. We'll cover the key components that make up a solid business plan, from defining your mission to outlining your financial strategy. And don't worry, we're keeping it simple and straightforward. By the end of this module, you'll understand how a well-crafted plan can make all the difference. So, let's get started and turn that business idea into a thriving reality.